This is just going to roll down, come to a sudden stop whenever it gets to the end.
Yes, sir.
This is called a seatbelt condenser. We bought this with a grant through the Governor's Office of Highway Safety. We take it around to schools, other events, to try and teach people the importance of wearing their seatbelt.
Oh my gosh.
It's a low-speed crash impact, anywhere from 5 to 9 miles an hour. And just to give them an idea of even that slow of a speed, the impact is pretty hard.
Oh, it was that bad.
That hurt.
It takes just 2 seconds to reach around and put the seatbelt on, after I find it down there, just to put it on, and it saves your life. It's that simple.